The train's going around again.
Yeah.
The train's going around. The train's going around 300 times. I'm still next to you, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still next to you.
Goes vice versa.
What? You say?
Goes vice versa.
Daddy, there's people. I see the people in there.
What do you see?
I see the people.
You see people in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see who drives it too.
You see the conductor?
Yep, I do.
Oh.
There's more people in there, Daddy.
Are you sure?
Yeah. There's a lot of people in it.
There's a lot of people in there?
Hey, hold some people over here, Daddy.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come on. Put some people over here. It's too fast!
It's too fast? Oh my goodness, you're too fast. Crazy.
Daddy, I'm moving. I stopped it, Daddy. Daddy. I help the Daddy.
You're huge, you know that? You know you're huge? I think. Where's it? I can't remember.
Oh, yeah?
50 pounds, so.
Wow.
I think. Or maybe, no, maybe it's like 48 pounds. But still.
Yes, I did.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. Ow.
Which one did you play?
The Nemo
Ow.
thing. The Nemo thing.
Yeah, did you play another game too?
No.
No?
Just the Nemo thing. Whoa. Don't touch him.
Ready?
No, you're not.
You're doing it, ready? Ready?